Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Abby Jack. Today I'm going to show you how I get this look. This let's call it the summer glow. But really it's just the only makeup routine I know how to do. So I'm going to show you guys that. Here we are with no makeup in 3, 2. I love watching these videos. They're super fun, but in my eyes they're not super relatable because I don't own the entire Tarte collection and I'm not really good at makeup. But I do like makeup and I appreciate it and I wear it during the school year, not so much in the summer. Maybe there's other girls out there that can relate. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I thought it would be cool to show you guys some of my really awesome drugstore makeup products. I also don't have like different looks. Like I don't have a smoky eye look. I don't have like the summer glow look or the no makeup look. I have one look and it's my Abby Jack makeup look. I just don't really know how to do anything else. I wish I did, but I digress. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is primer, which is pretty crazy, I know. Pretty beauty guru of me. I only bought it because I had a $10 coupon to Rexall and I was like, let's buy something cool. So as I'm walking the aisles of Rexall, I come across this e.l.f. tone adjusting face primer and I see that it's purple and I'm like, okay, I'm sold. It was like $8, I think. So anyway, I put that on my face like this. I think that's right. Do I put it on my forehead? I don't know. I think it's for your pores, but I don't know. What does everyone have against pores? That's my question. I just, like, are they ugly? I don't even know what they look like, to be honest. So after I put on that, I put on my foundation. One time I had a Sephora gift card like 3 years ago and I decided to ball out and invest in some foundation. So I did. It was $25, which is, that's expensive in my eyes for makeup. I don't know. But I like it. It's pretty good quality. It's not in here anymore because it ran out and then I was like, oh, I love this little pump situation. And so I put in another foundation in it so I could use the pump and I don't even remember what foundation that was. This is the only foundation I wear and I don't understand how girls are so good with foundation because I'll put it over a pimple, like a lot of it, and it still shows through and other girls cover up everything and I'm like, that is really impressive. But anyway, I just put it on my face in different spots where I have redness. My face kind of is red in general. That's why I would never wear blush because I'm just kind of constantly a red tone. I don't even know what this looks like because I really can't see anything. I'm gonna grab this mirror. I don't know if that's allowed, but oh wow. I don't like using too much because then my skin is like, don't do that please. Once that's on, I grab my beauty blender, which is, I guess, not a real beauty blender. Is it still called beauty blender? I don't know. This one is from Walmart, I think. It was $3. Yeah, I just kind of do this to blot it or whatever. Sometimes I wipe it, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I don't know. Wow, I put on a lot there. Whoops. So I just kind of dab it like I see people doing. I don't own concealer because one time I wore it, someone else's concealer, and I guess I didn't do it properly, and then I took a photo with flash and I looked like this. So then I'm just kind of like, what's the point? If I have bags then people kind of give me pity and feel bad for me, so. No, but I don't know, I guess I just don't know how to do concealer properly. I have puffy eyes. I don't really think anything can really help them, so, you know. I usually forget to do under here. I don't know, I just don't think of that, and then sometimes I have a line. I also don't rub it in very well. Like, I just do my makeup in about 10 minutes and then I'm at the door and people are like, your face is streaky. You know, but we do what we can. So once that's on, I don't have like setting powder and I really don't know what setting powder even is for. I know, I like watching people put it on because that's cool, and then this baking concept seems really cool. We're about to get really fancy with some contour. Because one day I was like, I want to contour my face because that looks freaking cool. Which I do really poorly, but I got this little contour kit thing from Marshalls. Here's a tip. Winners and Marshalls, they have drugstore makeup, like same brands as Shoppers and etc. for like really cheap. mascara is $3.99. I don't know if that's because it's 4 years expired, but I always check out that aisle because I find some hidden gems there. That's where I found the Essential Contour Shading Palette for eyes, brows, and face, which is just phenomenal, like the whole package deal. This is what she looks like. Pretty cool, actually. So it has some eyeshadow in there too, which I thought was neat because I don't have any eyeshadow. Maybe I could use some of that. I don't know if I do my makeup out of order, but maybe y'all can tell me in the comments below. I'm not sure. I just take the dark color here and I do that. I think I did that too high. I'm not sure. Whoops. It's goes on really easily. Maybe I need a mirror. Oh, I definitely did that too high. Oh gosh. So I do this thing like because Kim Kardashian taught me that. Oh gosh. See, we're a mess here. We're really a mess. It just kind of looks like a circle of darkness. Maybe from really far away it's not that bad, but I'm sorry if you're a beauty guru watching this and you're probably cringing so hard. I'm trying my best here, okay? Yeah, it kind of just looks like I have dirt on my face now, so I think that looks pretty cool. It's so, like this one's so high and this one's so low. Maybe the color's too dark for me, I don't know. I look like I'm in a musical and they try to make my face look like it has dirt on it. Doesn't even look like real dirt, that's the worst part. So anyway, that's the contour part. I've had better experiences with putting that on. Hi Corky, my dog just came in the room to find me. Hi baby. Like, to be honest, Corky is better at makeup than I am. Right, Corks? You're such a good doggy. Okay, she wants to leave now. So I've had this bronzer for about probably 15 years. Back when I used to competitively dance when I was really young, I bought it. And I don't even think that it works, like, I don't know, I just use it because it's here and I think it's kind of funky. So we just kind of put that on our faces like this and she's looking good. My contour literally looks pathetic, but maybe I'll do some eyeshadow for fun. I'm gonna do this color here because that looks funky. See, like the eyeshadow I really don't know how to do. You know what, I'm being hard on myself. I am doing the best I can and that's all I can ask of myself, you know? So I put a bit of that on. I don't know if you can see that, but thought I'd give her a shot. Next, I do my eyebrows, and this is a hate-love relationship because some days I do my eyebrows and they look good in the mirror and I'm like, oh, we're good to go. Then I see a photo and one eyebrow is 4 inches higher than the other, a different shape, a different length, a darker color, a lighter, like it's just, I don't know why it looks better in the mirror, and then I don't know, it's just my one eyebrow is not very cooperative. My eyebrow gel is so great, I love it. I talked about it in one of my favorites videos. It has never failed me, I have failed myself, but it is really good. It's just, the makeup artist sometimes just can't get it right, and some days I do get it right, you know? So anyway, so we're gonna put on my eyebrows now. It'll probably take 45 minutes because this is a part that it can either go really downhill or it can go well. So I start with doing the end of my eyebrows like this. Like some of my YouTube videos, I'm like, my eyebrows are just, love your flaws, you know? So that one's okay, not too bad. This eyebrow, it just never works for me. I'm sorry that you have to look at my contour, I really am. I don't blame you if you leave the video for that. If you have naturally nice eyebrows, I'm so happy for you because you are blessed. That's enough for the eyebrows for now. I know what you're thinking, Abby, they are not symmetrical, but there's more important things in life like saving the ocean, okay? So we're leaving them for now. They are bothering me though. For my second last step, I put on my mascara and I do about 39 coats of it. I'll show you some of my mascaras I use. This one is called Absolute Lashes. I don't know if that's the brand. It's from Winners, but I really like it. Anyway, I use a lot of different mascaras. A really good one I bought was CoverGirl's Peacock Flare, and then I realized after I couldn't get it off for 3 days that it was the waterproof one I bought, and then I was like, So I don't usually use this one anymore because it just stays on for 3 days, you know? This Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect is good. I like this one. So I usually start with a couple coats of that. I don't curl my eyelashes because I naturally have pretty curly eyelashes. So next I go in with another coat of another mascara. This is the Absolute Lash. So we put that on. My right eye eyelashes are longer than my left eye. I don't know why, but. Then I put some Lash Paradise mascara on. It's a pretty good mascara as well. I don't really have bottom lashes, so I don't really put them on my bottom lashes, but. So by the end of the day, my makeup, for some reason, my eye makeup has reached down to my chin, and it just like, I have black under here, and I don't know, I touch my face a lot, so maybe that's why. Anyway, maybe I should invest in some setting spray. Maybe that would help, but I don't know. So for the last most important part of my look, the Abby Jack look, highlighter, okay? Highlighter is unreal. I love it, and I think everyone should wear it because it is so fun and flirty and beautiful. I got this L'Oreal Paris True Match Powder Glow Illuminator Blush and Highlight. Really great product. It was $5, and then after I bought it, I realized I bought the tester. So like 400 people have probably tried this highlighter, which is cool. Put a lot on my cheekbones because you can't have too much highlighter in my opinion. Look at that. Contours really on fleek, eh? Oh my. Oh my. I kind of look like a clown, but oh, I forgot it on my nose. A makeup look isn't finished without some highlight. And I put it on my nose because that looks freaking cool. Like Rudolph, but way cooler. Anyway, so that's the end of my pathetic makeup tutorial. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about my great techniques and maybe found a cool product. I probably forgot to mention some of the names of the products, but you can ask in the comments and I'll let you know what brand they are. Thanks so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what else you want to see content-wise from me. And have yourself a great day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.